Hello, Cloud Nerds. In this video, you will learn how to create a standard SQS queue. Let's open Amazon SQS console. Next, click Create Queue. Let's create a standard SQS queue. For name, specify My First Queue. Let's go through important configuration parameters available. While message from queue is being processed by a consumer, you don't want the other consumers to pick up same message and start processing. Visibility timeout parameter sets the time for which message will not be visible to other consumers as soon as it's received by any consumer. Message retention period decides how long a message stays in Amazon SQS before it is automatically deleted. Use delivery delay option to add a delay to each message before making it available to its consumers. Amazon SQS supports short polling as well as long polling. If you are okay waiting for a few seconds to see if message is becoming available, you can go for long polling and set this value up to 20 seconds. With long polling, you reduce the cost of using Amazon SQS by eliminating the number of empty responses. Access policy defines who can send messages to the queue, as well as who can receive messages from the queue. Sometimes, consumers fail to process messages from queue. Messages are read by consumers multiple times, however, are not deleted from SQS queue. To handle these messages, you can redirect them to another SQS queue, which we call a dead letter queue. With redrive allow policy, you can configure whether this queue can be configured as a dead letter queue by other queues. Let's go ahead with default values and create an Amazon SQS queue. Next, click Create Queue. Congratulations! You just learned how to create a standard SQS queue. Now you can start sending messages to the queue. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books, linked in pinned comment, and suggest us topics for videos.